Hi, it's David again, and this time we're looking at the Washtech digital controller, and we want to change the chemical settings. So once you're into the user settings function, simply press the on-off key until we get to detergent fill time. So F detergent is detergent fill time. It's factory set at 40 seconds. Matter of using the up and down keys to adjust to a time that you want. Press the power key to get to the next one. During the wash cycle, how much detergent is placed in there, it's factory set at 15 seconds. Again, down arrow decreases the time, the up arrow increases time. Make your setting there, and then we go into rinse aid. So it's factory set for 12 seconds. You can decrease or increase as much as you want. Once you're finished, hit the on-off button and then hit the play key to get out.